this whole yard was a mess. Still is a little bit in the middle, but I'll clean up that tomorrow. And right now, I'm glad everything's doing okay. So, yeah, I'll clean up the rest of this yard tomorrow. Tomorrow late afternoon. And earlier, I cleaned up back of that house, which is my house. Don't go near it because if you're a YouTube fan, I don't go near it because it's the Privacy Act for YouTube. So, yeah. Looking for me on in front of the house, cleaning that up yet. So, yeah, most of this, all that right there, some of that, all that underneath, and all that over there is all mess. So, yeah, so even right here was a mess. It's still a little bit as of now. But right now I'm kind of hungry, so. And, yeah, underneath my bike was a mess. But at least I cleaned it up a little bit for something to do after I got home. So, yeah. Well, at least I did a perfectly good job. So, yeah. So, by tomorrow, I will clean up the rest of this yard. And the rest of the backyard, I should say, start on the front day after tomorrow. So, cool. At least I did a good job for 2 days of work. So, yeah. So, all that. Cool. Hey, I'll see you guys later. Bye.